How to set the camera photo mode to 12 megapixel or 24 megapixel on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Camera. Next, scroll down and tap on Formats. In here, go to the Photo Capture section and tap on Photo Mode. From the list, you could select 12 megapixel or 24 megapixel. So if you select 12 megapixel, a photo will takes up 3 megabytes of storage space. If you select 24 megapixel, the photo will take up around 4.8 megapixel of storage space. So if your device running on low storage, perhaps you want to select 12 megapixel. If you want higher quality picture, you can select 24 megapixel. Finally, tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.